Hello my dear students, don't forget to wear mask when you go outside. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth frequently. Now I am here to revise the poem Dust of Snow. You have already learned that poem. I know that all my students are excellent in your studies, so you learned the poem well. Now let's revise the poem. Dust of Snow. Ravi, can you say who has written this poem? The famous poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet of 20th century. He was basically known for his realistic depictions of rural life and sharing the experience of ordinary people. Through this poem, Robert Frost is trying to speak that there is lot of negativity in the world. Even in that negativity, how can you be a positive person? That means the poet is trying to guide a person who has lost all hopes. Then in this poem we have seen the poet has used crow and hemlock tree. Then usually poets are using positive animals or birds like peacocks, sparrow, etc. But here the poet has used crow and hemlock, which represent the dark side of nature. Then now let's encapsulate the poem Dust of Snow. Then just imagine in Robert Frost's life, something had happened in his life. He was little bit depressed and sat under a tree. Then the first stanza, he was sitting under a tree. A crow was sitting on the tree. As it is a winter season, there is lot of ice particles on the tree. The crow shook down the ice particles and it fell on the poet. Then according to Robert Frost, a small incident can change the entire life. Here in the first stanza, the crow shook down the ice particles and it fell on the poet. This changed the mood of the poet. In the beginning, he was a little bit sad, but after this small incident, he decided to overcome from the sad mood. He decided to overcome from the sad mood. So he decided to spend the rest of the day fruitfully. He decided to utilize the rest of the day in a positive way. Then from this poem we have learned that whatever negative things happen in our life, we should not desperate. There is always an opportunity to change the mood, sad mood to happy mood. Listen, whatever negative things, there may be lot of bad things happening in our life. Whatever negative things happen in our life, we should not desperate. There is always an opportunity to change the sad mood to happy mood. Now, let's discuss the important questions. Important questions means as you are in class 10, you are going to attend board examination. Then let's see the question pattern. Then from a poem, you will get one extract. Based on the extract, you will get 4 questions. Then next one, 2 mark questions, and again long answer type question, 8 mark questions. Then let's see the important questions from this lesson. Read the extract and answer the following questions. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Name the poem and poet. You know? Name the poem Dust of Snow, poet Robert Frost. I taught you only one poem, so it is very easy to answer this first question. But after completing 6 or 7 poems, very difficult to answer the question. Next question, where is the poet? He is sitting under a tree. Next one, what is hemlock? Hemlock is a poisonous tree. A tree with white flowers and it gives bad smell. Next one, what does the word dust of snow mean? Dust of snow means the snow particles. The next one is, what side of nature do crow and hemlock represents? Then in the beginning I told you normally poets are using positive animals or birds, but here in this poem we have seen the poet has used crow and hemlock. This represents the dark side of nature. By highlighting this point you should answer the question. Next question is long answer type question. Positive attitude in life can make the world a better place to live in. Justify. Based on the poem Dust of Snow. Positive attitude in life can make a better place to live in. We know that positive attitude brings optimism. Then if you develop a positive attitude, it is very easy to cope up with the day-to-day affairs. In the beginning of the poem we have seen the poet was actually sad. But the small incident, which small incident? The crow shook down the ice particles, it fell on the tree. That fell on the poet. That small incident changed his mood. Then, so he decided to spend the rest of the day in a fruitful manner. That means positive attitude brings optimism. By highlighting this point, you should answer the question. Now, let's discuss the important poetic devices used in the poem Dust of Snow. The first one is enchantment. What do you mean by enchantment? Aditya, 2 or more lines continue without punctuation marks. Here in this poem Dust of Snow, there is only one full stop at the end of the poem. So we can say the poet has used enchantment here. Next one is alliteration. Repetition of same consonant sound. Repetition of same consonant sound. Alliteration. That means the poet has used alliteration here. These are the important points we have seen in this poem. Whenever you get time, read the poem again and again. And by heart the question answers which I have already given. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all.